day. We gotta finish everything up here, tie up all the loose ends, insulate everything, make sure everything's running properly. And then once we finish all that, we're gonna go outside, we'll take care of the AC side. It's cold out there, so we're not really in a rush to get the AC done. But we just want to get it done while we're here, so we'll take care of that later on this afternoon.
I told him to touch, well, he touched it and I thought it was off. It wasn't off. So.
It's his fault.
It is my fault.
You feel bad about it?
No.
Absolutely not, I'm sure.
I still slept like a baby last night. It's the only way you learn.
What?
It's the only way you learn. Treat it like it's live. You said he cut one for this already?
Yes, that big piece that's over there should be cut.
Just gonna cut out this old drain line so we don't leave stuff behind for the next guy, you know, rip all the old stuff out. If it's not being used, take it out. Jack just needs to lose like about 4 or 5 pounds.
What?
Nothing. So this is to Jack's girlfriend. Make him lose a couple pounds. He can't even fit between 2 joists.
Wide shoulders, it's all those muscle.
Yeah, you're not The Rock, dude. I heard you guys are nice and toasty in there. This, I mean, it's already bent.
Kick it to the left.
Kick it to the left. Do a pre-made 90, pre-made 90, done.
And reducer in between.
Yeah, well, whatever you got for a reducer side. Hey, it's not bad out. I mean, I don't have gloves on or jacket. It's actually not bad out, but you know, you gotta just be, everything's so much more brittle. I mean, obviously you can't start and test these units now, so. You know, in the spring, we have a list of people that need to have their systems just topped off, you know? Because in the winter time, we can't obviously turn them on to test them. Now, I don't know if you can get the camera in here, but see, this is what happens when we braze too close to the wiring connections. It's, you know, burns the wires all to hell.
You should be knowing that those wires are not needed, though, so we're okay.
I don't know that yet, Jack.
Never mind. Spoke too soon. This is a hard start kit. We try to do these on all new installs. Basically, it gives the compressor motor an extra boost when it starts up. Occasionally, you'll see some of our technicians will come out to your home and they'll recommend that you get one of these. It basically extends the life of the motor and the compressor, and it gives it an extra boost of power when it starts up, so it's not really a load on the motor every time the air conditioning goes to turn on. So if your technician recommends that you get one of these, I highly suggest it. It just extends the life of the compressor motor and all the components inside it. Just helps everything run smoothly. That's 475 pounds of pressure right there.
Is that supposed to be happening?
Yeah. Basically, we pressure tested it. Now we're letting all the pressure out so we can evacuate the system. We can take all the dirt, the moisture out of it. We just got done with our pressure check. So over 400 PSI of pressure in there, which is very good. Simon just rebuilt this pump, so we'll see if it works or not. If it works, it's all Simon's fault. Nobody knows how to rebuild this, so Simon's kind of the only one that was able to do it, so he went ahead and did it. It's been used a lot, beaten up. We think it was all the seals and the gaskets were broken. If it works, it'll be a miracle. Simon's a lifesaver, but if it doesn't, can't be too mad at him. Because it's not like I would know how to do it. Basically, it removes all the moisture, all the dirt, all the air out of these pipes. Moisture and dirt are the big two no-nos.
I hope I fart in the car because I got the worst farts right now. It's like terrible. It must be because I didn't eat good for like 2 days.
I guess that's payback.
This is the house of everything happening. This was the boiler house that was 30 degrees. We swapped the boiler. Now we're doing the air handler here. It came out really nice. FYI, if you're ever building a house, leave a chaseway because it helped us out. We were able to snake a line set from the top of the house to the basement without putting any kind of covering on the outside to get a new line set in. We ran 126 feet of 1.8" line set, which is holy cow. But the unit turned out great. We even turned it to better fit the upstairs to have a full flight of stairs to the 3rd floor, which would be a cool man cave. Of course, everything's man cave. Why can't it be a woman cave? So we turned the unit to utilize the space up in the attic a little more. Thanks to Mike and the team, we came up with that. And we're done. We're just waiting on Jack like always. And we're just gonna do a little cleanup, lock up, and we're out of here. And if you like our videos, just give us a thumbs up and maybe mention what part of the videos you like.